Let us talk about symbol SYM in greater detail, and we will also talk about SYMS today. So what SYM did, we have already seen that it kept the fractional part intact. And let's start with some variable assignment. That is, if we assign through SYM function, then we can assign z to z, a variable to a variable. See, this z has a value of z. This also is possible. And if I take SYM, you know that it will be always 1 by 10, whichever calculation you perform. So x is 1 by 10. Now if I perform x into 10, it will be 1. If I perform x into 3, then it will be 3 by 10. And if I perform x to the power 3, again it will remain in the fractional part, fractional look. Okay, I may define certain variable, and these variables may be defined like this. Okay, rad has value 0.5, and say area has pi into say radius square. This is also done, but I can in one line through SYMS again can define these two in a single line with a possibility, this is very important, this was possibility that the pi is seen as intact. Only this will be calculated and the answer will be with pi. This formatting can be done through SIMS. How it is done? SYMS use these two variables again, rad and area, in one line. So radius and area is defined or declared, and assign a value through sim to this rad 1 by 2, and then area again. Let me use arrow button. Rad area is assigned. Okay, so area will be pi by 4. This is what I wanted to tell you. Otherwise, when we determined, it gave value, some value in exponential form, but when we estimated it through this, we actually got pi with it. And this is nice looking, but we can also make it look good. How to look good? Make it pretty. So use pretty command and give area inside. Now this will look pretty. How? See. So this is how we can have a equation look or a pen copy look or a book look in MATLAB. Now how to compute in actual equation form that you do while you are calculating in on your copy. So for that, let me clear it first. Let's have a variable with SYMS, say y. Now make it y cube or y to the power 5, say y to the power 5. This is also good. Now y to the power 5 minus y, what is this? This is an equation. This is also done. And if I divide, now this is an equation, this is a proper equation form. MATLAB has understood as an equation. And if I divide it by say y, what should it on paper with pen, it should give, if I divide it by y, it should give 1 power less. So this will give as y to the power 4. And again, let me give one more power, say y to the power 5. So it should get cancelled. This is what. So this is all about our pretty thing. And SYMS, more can be found out through this SYMS, and it can be seen that what it does. This is shortcut for creating symbolic variables and functions that we have just seen. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.